All right, so I'm gonna walk you guys through our menus on the Accusafe Solo. Currently you can see there's a live reading. Up in the top left, you can see environmental conditions, if your cartridge is due for calibration, current date, and the current status of your pump. If we cycle through to the chart, you can see all of the detection that has taken place over time. These are divided into 1-minute divisions. This also, from this screen, you can zero your device if necessary. Cycling through to the systems. Here we have all of our settings. You can set your alarms for different permissible exposure limits, and you can enable or disable it in the same menu. There's also a system where you can set both your connectivity as well as obtain your data from here. Here is our calibration menu. This is essentially here so that all the support team, before this arrives to the customer's door, it can be set properly for the sensor. This is not something that the end user typically has to worry about. Yeah, so here we have the outlet for the device and the inlet for the device. These are sampling from a far off distance so that we can know if we're going to be safe over here. And then this is just connectivity via TCP/IP, your communication port. Over here we have our SD card. This is just simply for data logging and is easily removed just by pushing. Here on the end, we have our sensor cartridge. This is the easily replaceable portion of this module. Just has its circuit board, and then inside is your sensor protected by this housing. If you guys have any questions, just reach out to us.